What's up, YouTube? Coming at you guys back with another video. Today we're going to do some unboxings. I've got some cooling upgrades. Try to open up the front grille area of the car. There's definitely some opportunity to get more airflow, especially now, you know, as the summer is approaching and temperatures start to get hot. And also for any future track use, definitely want to make sure I'm getting the most airflow through the front end of the car. But before we get started with the unboxing, just want to thank you all for watching. And if you guys are enjoying the content, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you guys like the channel, please subscribe as well. So with that being said, let's get started with the unboxing. All right, guys, so we're gonna get started with the unboxing. This is the eBay grill that you can purchase that eliminates the thicker part of the factory grill. Replaces that with like the honeycomb or diamond shaped grill piece. So definitely want to get that. Like I said, looking to improve the airflow into the front end of the car so that that air can cool down the radiator just for summer, and especially any future potential track usage, which I definitely plan on doing. So we will open that. Looks like that's part of the grill eyelid area. So it looks like this is the piece that we will be going with. As you can see, there's a big difference. I'll put a shot on what the factory grill looks like, but there's definitely a blockage on this portion of the grill. So with this, it's all the diamond or honeycomb. I guess this is more of the honeycomb opening, so that allows some of that airflow, additional airflow, to come through on the front end. So that's what we have here, and I'll put a link in the description to this piece as well. Okay guys, so this is some other pieces that I got from ICB Motorsports, and I got this from eBay. This is an eBay grill. I did consider going with the Jay's Racing grill. I think it's a pretty aggressive looking grill, but I also think it's pretty expensive for what it is. It's just a grill, kind of serves the same function as this. I don't see too much of a difference. I think this one looks a little bit cleaner. Like I said, the Jay's Racing one, as much as I like to go with that one, it does look a little kind of crazy for the amount of aggression on that. And it's pretty damn expensive in comparison. I mean, this grill was like $100 shipped. I think the Jay's Racing with the front emblem is probably around $800. So you know, why spend 8 times the amount when, you know, I can get very similar or if not equal performance with this grill right here. So these are the additional pieces I got from ICB Motorsports. So go ahead and open this. So I did get a Jay's Racing license plate frame. So I will be replacing I have a raised one on the car right now to show the Volk Racing wheels. But I saw this and just kind of wanted to go with the Jay's Racing, just kind of show off the exhaust and some other Jay's Racing pieces that I have in the car. So put that there. And last but not least, we have this as well. And so this is the front emblem that will be going on here. You do have to go with the Civic Type R FK8 front emblem if you want one that fits directly to the eBay grill. The stock FK8 grill or front emblem is a little bit too large to fit flushly on the new grill. Here's the part number. Like I said, I purchased this from ICB Motorsports, so I will put the link in the description for the front emblem and the grill if you guys are interested in performing these upgrades as well. Once again, front emblem. So one more thing I wanted to mention is with the eBay grill, I do believe that I will need to trim these two pieces right here just to make them flush on the H, so that when I install the new emblem, that this sits completely flush on this grill and doesn't have like these two extra pieces pushing the emblem out and not allowing it to sit flush. So be on the lookout for this install. I will try to get this done this week. So hopefully by Friday, I should have the new grill on the car. So once again, we got the eBay grill. We've got the FD2 front emblem, and we've got the Jay's Racing license plate frame. So hopefully these three things, we can get these on the car by the end of this week. Taking off the front bumper is kind of a pain in the ass. So I'm not looking forward to doing that. But I've done it before, so it shouldn't be that hard to do it again. All right, guys. So with that being said, that's gonna put an end to this kind of unboxing and overview of some parts I'm looking forward to installing this week. So thank you guys for watching. Once again, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit that like button. And if you guys are enjoying the content on the channel, please subscribe, hit that subscribe button as well. I appreciate everyone who has subscribed. I really do appreciate that. So with that being said, that's it for this video. Until next time, guys, out.